Hi guys, welcome to Learning with Kalim and Asia. I'm Kalim,
And I'm Asia.
and today we're going to be showing us how to create a weekly schedule for yourself on Excel. So first we're going to start in our blank worksheet, and we're going to select from A1 all the way to M9. Next we're going to click merge, so we can merge all these cells together, and then after we're going to go and color in the box a color of your choice. For example, we're going to go with blue. Next we're going to select from A1 all the way to M20, and we're gonna go over to border, and we're gonna click on all borders. Next we're gonna come over to these two cells right here. We're gonna select them and press merge, and since we want to do this to all these cells next to it, we're not gonna waste our time doing it one by one. We're just gonna select it, bring our pointer to the right corner until it changes, and then we're gonna hold and drag it all the way to the end. As you can see, it merged all of them together for us. Since we have this extra row right here, we're gonna click on this box right here. We're gonna unmerge it, and we're gonna select this last row, and we're gonna go on clear, and we're gonna press clear all. Now we can select this and merge them all back together, and we're going to add the borders again. Okay, next we're gonna select this row right here, this row that we merged together, and we're gonna change its color to another shade of blue. And we're gonna do the same thing we did up there for this row up here too. We're gonna merge these two, and we're gonna drag it all the way to the end so it can all merge. Now that we have this one merged too, we're gonna select it and select the color for it. Let's go with another shade of blue.
Next, we're gonna go to this cell right here. We're gonna type day, and then in the next cell, I'm gonna type the days of the week, Monday, and then you could just select, and then the bottom corner, just drag it to the end, and then it writes all the days of the week. Now I'm gonna select all of this row right here, and change the font color to white. After that, we're gonna come down here and type date, and then I'm gonna put today's date, which is 5/2/25, and then I'm just gonna drag that to the end. There you go. And then once again, I'm gonna select this whole row and change the color to white, the text color to white. After that, we're gonna come to this column under date. We're gonna merge these two together, and then we're gonna drag it down to the bottom. So now the whole thing is merged, and under the dates, I'm gonna put who and done. So who's done with that chore and who isn't. And then I'm just gonna select them both and then drag it to the end.
Okay, next we're gonna come over here under date, and we're gonna type task. We're gonna go to the bottom cell, and we're gonna list our tasks we need to get done throughout the day. First, let's do the make bed. Next, we're gonna do morning jog. Next, after that, we're gonna do shower. After that, we're gonna do breakfast. After that, we're gonna do school. After school, we're gonna go to the gym. For example, after the gym, we're gonna eat dinner, and after dinner we're gonna do our homework. For this example, you guys are gonna put whatever tasks you guys need to get done throughout the day. Okay, so in the under who, you're gonna put the name of the person who needs to get the task done. For example, let's say the name of the person is John. You're gonna put John, and for done or no, we're either gonna put a check mark or an X. And how you could do that is by going to the font section, and on the search bar you're gonna search Wingding 2. Press enter, and you're gonna come under who and under done. And if John got that task done, you're gonna hold shift and you're gonna press P. Oh. Make sure you add the S at the end of Wingdings. So it's gonna be Wingdings. So it's gonna be Wingdings 2. So to put a check mark, you're gonna hold shift and you're gonna press P. That will put a check mark. And let's say for the morning jog, the person's name is Johnny. And if Johnny didn't get that task done, you're gonna hold shift and you're gonna press O. Oh. You gotta put the font. Wingdings 2. You're gonna press enter. And you're gonna hold shift and press O, and that will put the X for you. Okay, now we're gonna move on to decorating this top section. So we're gonna first go to insert. You're gonna go to shapes, and you're gonna click text box. And you wanna put your text box from like over here to over here. In the text box, you're gonna type weekly chore schedule. After that, we're just gonna select our text, and we're gonna make the font bigger to about 24, and we're gonna do the fill the same color as the background so it can match, and we're gonna change the color of the font itself to white. We're gonna position this like right about over here. Okay, so as you can see, we have this border around it. To remove this, we're gonna click on the text. You're gonna go to shape format. You're gonna go to shape outline, and you're gonna press no outline. Okay, so next I've already copied like a logo I want to add for the schedule. So you're gonna copy the logo. You're gonna Control V and paste it. As you can see, I've already pre-copied the logo or the image. You're gonna crop it to size, and you're gonna put it wherever feels best. And that should be it, your weekly schedule.
And also, if you want to add a picture from your own device, you go to insert and then go to pictures, this device, or you could go online devices that give you suggestions. And that's how you insert the picture from your own device.
Thank you guys for watching.
See you guys in the next video.